Hi, I'm Karen Robert with Aux Abris. Welcome to my studio. So we just moved into this new studio about 8 months ago. It's 6,500 square feet, which is so exciting because it means we've got everything how we want it, and it's all divided up. We built it out. So we've got our offices here. And this is our sample department. It is the backbone of everything that we do, because without samples, interior designers can't sell to their clients because no one knows what it feels like, what it looks like. You have to see it in person. So for every yard that we sell, we are giving away a yard and we're labeling it. And Susan here is doing all of the organization herself. And it's a lot, as you can see, to organize. And if for some reason you're a little late getting your sample, it's because it might be in one of these piles, waiting to be labeled, waiting to be filed away, waiting to be sent out in envelopes. It's a lot. It's no mean feat, and thank God for Susan. That's all I can say. Then over here is where you enter the production department. And Rich, say hello. Rich is our head printer for the afternoons, and he's doing some cutting up right now. So now we're going into our storage facility, and here, for example, is where we store our vinyls. We're right now starting to translate everything onto 8 different vinyl substrates, different embosses. And the reason we store them in these tubes is if they're on a flat surface, it'll crush them. So this just evens out the distribution. And then here we have boxes and boxes of various substrates that we print on that we're constantly ordering more, running out, ordering more, running out. And we try to keep it all sort of really organized so that we never run out, because that would be a disaster for everybody. And now we're going into the production department. This is where everything's made. So right now we've got probably almost all of our printers running. Here we're printing a vinyl. This we're printing a Grasscloth mural called Kaleidoscope. And over here we're printing one of our marble designs on rag paper. This is called end papers. And this is our Canon. She's sleeping right now. We'll get her going soon. And then this is Rich. He's in charge of getting all these guys going, and it's not easy, believe me. This is our new collection. We're printing on gold leaf right now. And you can just see how it pumps along. I'm Karen Robert. I started this company, Aux Abris, 10 years ago. Always my motivation in my entire life is doing things differently. And I'm a maker at heart, I realize, and I like the concept of having an idea in my head and the next day experimenting for 3 hours, and then finally, like I play with color. And so, you know, I went from my daylight basement to a 6,000 square foot studio. I'm no longer doing my printing, thank goodness. And I've got these really talented guys doing my printing for me, and here we are.